What's up, everyone? It's been a while since we've talked about the next big thing from Samsung, but today we've got some rumors about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you've been holding out for Samsung's 2025 flagship, well, you're in for a treat. There's some juicy info on the new color options, major design upgrades, and of course a potential Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset that could blow Apple out of the water. Let's break it all down. First up, let's talk colors. A well-known leaker, Ice Universe, has dropped a bombshell claiming that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in black, green, blue, and titanium. Now, compared to the S24 Ultra, which had that full-on titanium vibe in gray, violet, black, and yellow, it's interesting to see a change here. So what's the deal with these colors? Samsung is probably sticking with its titanium frame, yup, even if the color isn't in the name, and honestly, I'm here for it. Titanium is stronger, lighter, and just looks premium. But as usual, there could be some online exclusive colors coming. Maybe Samsung is bringing back last year's wild options like titanium orange or titanium violet, who knows? But we'll keep an eye out for those. Now, if you're curious about design, this is where the S25 Ultra seems to take a noticeable step ahead of the competition. The body is thinner and lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max by quite a bit. And the camera rings? Yeah, they don't stick out as much either. We're talking a 2.4mm camera bump compared to the iPhone's 4.3mm bump. So it's a cleaner look overall. And while we're on the topic of design, the bezels, those slim little borders around the screen, are supposedly getting even thinner. We're looking at 0.2mm thinner bezels than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Plus, that punch hole camera? It's smaller than Apple's dynamic island, which gives the S25 Ultra a cleaner, more futuristic look. But let's get into the real excitement: performance. The rumors are pointing to the S25 Ultra coming packed with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which, if true, could actually outperform Apple's A18 Pro. Imagine the smoothness with One UI 7.1 paired with this chipset, potentially more RAM, faster response times, and just a better all-around experience. This is where Samsung really flexes its hardware design and packaging, with features that make it a beast not just on the outside but under the hood as well. So to wrap it all up, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious contender in the flagship phone space for 2025. With stunning new colors, a thinner, more premium design, and the potential to outpace the competition in both style and performance, this is a phone you won't want to miss. And we're only just getting started on the rumors. As always, hit that subscribe button for more updates and hit the notification bell, because you know there will be more leaks coming soon. Let me know in the comments, what color would you pick for the S25 Ultra? And do you think this phone could dethrone Apple? I'll see you in the next one.